welcome back to my channel, love. So we are back with another hair video today, y'all. This is super like random. Like, I'm feeling a little hype, I got some energy, I got some time because Kyson is sleeping. So I was like, why not do a hair video? I'm gonna be doing some natural hairstyles that are super easy, super quick, and I'm also gonna show y'all how I stretch my hair. Right now it is stretched. This is like day 4 hair, I think. Actually, it might be day 3 hair. This is actually day 3 hair. So I can't complain about how it's looking for day 3 hair. And I don't even have what I need for this video. I'm gonna show y'all how I stretch my hair when I don't even have my pick in here. Hold up, I'll be back. Okay, so I am going to be taking this style out and I'm gonna redo it at the end to show y'all exactly how I do it. It's all messy and edges coming up and all that anyway, so it needs to be refreshed. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And yeah, y'all, we're just gonna chit chat, talk, do some quick on-the-go hairstyles, just like the old days, y'all. Like, am I the only one who really misses my hair videos? It was such a vibe. Like, we gotta get back to it. If y'all haven't seen my review on Mielle Organics, definitely go watch. Okay, actually what I just did is also a good way to stretch your hair. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw that in there because I do that sometimes. Like, I'll just put my hair in a certain like stretch style and then take it out if I want to wear my hair out for the day. So of course you gotta like fix little, you know, out of place pieces that try to mess your vibe up, but all you gotta do is like tuck it in. But yeah, so basically to stretch my hair, all I do is take your pick, take your spray bottle. Okay, pink vibes, pink vibes. Well, this is technically kind of like how I refresh and stretch my hair because you're gonna need to like bring your curls back to life. So when I spray my spray bottle, I don't really do it too much on the roots because I want my roots to have that puffy effect. Like, I want the pick to be able to get in there and fluff out. But if you wet it too much, then that's kind of hard to do. It kind of gets flat. So I just kind of do a little spritz on the end. And then take your pick and go to work. Make sure you're flipping your hair from side to side so you're getting all parts. And I don't know if y'all care about like frizz and stuff like that. I really don't for the most part, but on the parts that I do, I just add like a little bit of product to redefine those parts of my hair. So literally, y'all, I actually already fluffed it out a little bit today, so I'm not doing that much, but let me get a little bit closer. And then I'm gonna just take some, I just grabbed this Talia Wajid. Do I pronounce that right? I never know how to pronounce it, but I just took her curly curl cream and I'm gonna like redefine certain parts of my hair. Like, see, this is like real frizzy. So I'm just going to redefine it. So the first hairstyle I'm gonna do is like a loose little top knot with a slight bang, y'all. For some reason, I really like this hairstyle, but I never really do it. So this is like a messy look. So it really works for stretched hair to give that effect. Oh, hold up, let me move the camera up. So I just take my scrunchie, go around once and one more time, and you're gonna put it in like a little bun, a little loose bun like that. And you see I'm looking crazy right here, so we're gonna fix this up. Kind of mess with it until you get it how you want it. Just kind of keep playing with it. I think I'm gonna put some more product like right in these front pieces. If you want, you can slick up like the edges and the back and the sides, but I don't think I want to. I kind of like the messy look. Yeah, it's that quick, that simple. And the thing thing about these hairstyles is that literally you could just take them out and it just helps with stretching your hair more. Like, that's literally it. And you can style it however you want it after that. So next we're gonna go with a low look. I'm gonna hit y'all with that middle part, and we're gonna move one side out the way for now. Actually, I should spice this up and do like zigzag. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Take some gel. I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel. And you're definitely gonna need to re-wet this, that way it'll be real sleek. And brush it down. Y'all, I'm literally being so lazy with this. Like, I'm just slapping the gel on. Honestly, you could do this style like without gel if you wanted to. And I just do like a big loose twist, y'all. Literally like that. And wrap it. And that way it forms like this circular effect. Take your bobby pin and pin that bad boy. Y'all know what's crazy? I'm really just like thinking of these styles as I'm going. Well, this one at least, because I don't think y'all have never seen me with this hairstyle. But I'm trying new things, you know, stepping outside the box a little bit. This hairstyle is not complete without edges, so. And just do a little something, nothing too major. I'm gonna add a bobby pin right here. I kind of like the effect that this has. It's like a sleek and then messy at the end. Like, it's almost like you tried, but you make it look like you didn't try. And I can get with that. I can vibe with that. Okay, it's been like 5 minutes. Let's see how it's looking. Yes, y'all. I love like wrapping my hair and then taking it back off. Like, that is literally the most satisfying thing any naturalista could possibly do. Comment down below if you agree. But this is cute. I'm gonna have to wear this for real, y'all. Not just for the video. Like, I might do this style one day. I feel like it definitely matches the red lip as well. Like, yes. So I'm just gonna part. Oh, I gotta get rid of this zigzag. I'm gonna just do a straight middle part for this. So I literally just do like this into a loose bun. And then after that, you're gonna form it and shape it how you want to. Cover up the scrunchie. And then take your bobby pins and just literally bobby pin it down. You guys, and that is it. I think this style is my favorite out of all of them. If y'all try any of these styles out, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, NAYvy.